One of the things I love about winter is the hearty soups you can eat in winter. And this one, it's hearty. This is cabbage and potato soup with bacon and cream cheese. You know, everything's better with bacon. Well, there's a lot of bacon in here. Cream cheese just adds this totally creaminess to the soup. Look at that. And, not just creaminess, it adds a lot of flavor too. Right? And oh, the bacon taste in here is absolutely fantastic. Then you got your potatoes. You have some pieces of cabbage floating around in there. Let's go in the kitchen and make some of this right now. To make our soup, here's what we need. Well, we've got up front here, first of all, some seasonings. We've got a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper. Then we've got a 1/4 cup of butter. We have 3 tablespoons of flour. Over here, I've got 4 ounces or 110 grams of cream cheese. I've got here a 1/2 pound, 8 ounces, 230 grams of bacon, which have been sliced about 1/2 inch wide pieces. Here, a 1/4 head of cabbage, which has been just roughly chopped. 1 onion chopped. 1 pound or 450 grams of potatoes. And those have been cut into basically bite-sized pieces, small bite-sized pieces. Over here we got our liquids. Well, we've got 1 15-ounce can of chicken stock. We've got 1 cup of water. And then for the finishing up, we have 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream. So first thing we're going to do, get that butter into our pot. And let's get that going up on a medium heat. All right, that butter is melted, so in goes the onion. In goes the salt and pepper. And in goes the bacon. Now what we're going to do is cook this, stirring occasionally, like about 8 to 10 minutes. What I want to do is I want to lightly brown the onions and the bacon. Get those onions nice and soft, brown them up a little bit, brown up the bacon a bit, and then we're going to come back here and add some more ingredients. So I'll see you in about 8 to 10 minutes. Well, that's been about 8 minutes, and my bacon is just nicely browning. Now this is Japanese bacon, which never browns that much anyways, but you don't want crispy bacon. We just want lightly browned bacon. So now, let's toss in the flour. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cook that flour. I'm going to spread it around here. And stirring, I'm going to cook the flour for about a minute. I just want to take the raw taste off the flour. And then in go the rest of the ingredients. Well, most of the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so I'll see you back here in a minute. All right, that's done. We're ready to add in the chicken stock. Let's get that in there. Put about half in and just deglaze that bottom because the flour is going to burn on the bottom a little bit. That's all that good taste. Kind of push that off a bit. And you'll see it start thickening up right away. So now, in goes the rest. In goes that cup of water. In goes the potatoes. In goes the cabbage. The only thing that's not going in is the cream cheese and the cream itself. Those are going to go in later. So, get that all in here. All right, I'm going to cover that and simmer it for 20 minutes. Just want to get those the cabbage nicely cooked, get those potatoes cooked, and then we're going to add in the rest. We have a delicious soup. So I'll see you in about 20 minutes. All right, let's have a look at that. That's been going for 20 minutes, simmering away here. Oh, that's looking good. Yeah, this would be a good soup just as it is. I mean, it's absolutely delicious looking right now. This just adds an extra touch to it. So let's do, first of all, a fork test on a potato. So you take a potato and Yeah, fork goes in easily. That potato is done. Perfect. Let's add in the cream. Get that cream cheese in there. Get the heat back on again. It just kicked out on me. There you go. Now I just want to cook that for about 3-4 minutes until I've melted the cream cheese into there. So just stirring it a couple of minutes until that cream cheese is melted. Actually, probably about a minute or two is going to do it. If you just give it a push and break up the pieces of cream cheese, you can kind of hurry it along. There's a couple pieces in there. Just to make sure you got all the cream cheese melted, and then this delicious soup is ready to serve. I spent a couple of minutes, and basically the cream cheese is all melted. The soup is back up to heat again. So let's serve some up. Oh, look at that. That's looking really nice. So I've got chunks of potato in there, cabbage floating around, and lots of bacon. And of course, with that cream cheese and all, this is absolutely fantastic. So enjoy this cabbage and potato soup with bacon and cream cheese. Now, if you go to the link appearing on the screen and also clickable in this video's description, you can download and print out this recipe from the Soup and Stew Recipes booklet on Kuma's Kitchen's Patreon page. Just click the featured tag called Recipes. Now go print out the recipe and enjoy cabbage and potato soup with bacon and cream cheese. And make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.